Wait, are you finished it yet?
Hmm?
Hey guys!
Yeah.
I got it.
Lily.
Come on, Mo!
Can you get out of the way? Please, okay. I want the sniper one.
Dude,
That one's too high.
get it on the middle.
What are you supposed to do? Oh, there we go. And then later on,
You guys ever seen the sniper one? It's freaking wicked when you light it. It sparkles at first, then it goes doosh.
yeah.
It's freaking awesome.
Oh,
That's not even loud here when I buy it. This is my big one. It's freaking
it's
fun.
done.
Oh, you're gonna ruin that one. That one's the good one. That's the black one. Those are good ones.
Yeah, one of those. We had one. It didn't light.
I know. I hate when.
I was like, we spent our money for nothing.
The black ones are looking expensive. That's why I don't know why they do the expensive. After they
The
don't like.
black cat is so illegal.
I.
Dad bought those, and we were in like desert. We were in we were going to Grand Canyon for 4th of July. He bought one of those. He bought fireworks. Yeah. The ones that go up in the tree. Lily, no, give me the lemon. No.
Hey.
After this, give me the lemon. Tommy!
It just show you. YouTube, Facebook. Got it? Facebook made YouTube. No, she did not bring out the red one.
She's kind of spoiled, isn't she?
Yeah, that red one. The red one shoots higher than all the other ones.
What happens to one that goes up? Oh yeah, it's something. What happens to one
They're bigger than that.
Yeah.
Those are the expensive ones.
And I know how to get them.
Right there.
I know people.
I can get a dragon one down here.
Too. I could get a smiley face one down here. I could get a you know those tornado ones that go like tornado ones. So you can know that you couldn't even buy them here.
Oh, yeah. Guess what? One of my cousins make fireworks.
Really?
Yeah, I can have them ship some
Damn.
for free.
This one's funny.
What?
Watch it.
Forget about going out and being out, watch fireworks go in the air. We have a little fireworks here right here.
Hey.
Watch. If it does right. If this one doesn't wrong. This one gonna go. There you go.
Those are very short.
Yeah, I need to go buy the smiley face. They still have it in stock. That guy's sneaking back over here. Right?
Do it then.
I need to get them all.
Hmm?
I need to call some friends.
Hmm?
I need to call some friends.
Do it then.
That one's fun. You like that one? I did nothing.
Fire truck.
Nothing?
No, it makes balls.
I punched a little kid in the face.
Don't ask me what happened to his phone.
Oh, I remember that.
Don't. Lily, get over here. Lily's so cute.
Time is it now? I don't want to pause it. I can't pause it.
Neither do I.
What are you doing? Let me have some. Here. Oh.
I need the sniper.
Whoa.
Up that one way.
I think the best one was a couple ones before that. That was the best one.
Alright.
Are you guys gonna let them all out here?
Was there no bomb? No. Whoa.
That's why I'm always over here close to the line. I'm always hanging on my dad's gym.
Hi, Mama.
If he does. Oh, he bought the field. So you know you're picking it that way. Once someone buys second, right there, right? Once someone buys beer, they're gonna do second for, right?
Sorry, but I won't drink.
I'm having fun tonight.
I'm not gonna hide.
Hey, babe, I come to your house drunk. What are you looking to?
Wait, Daddy, go there, go.
Drunk in the morning.
Probably tell you to get out.
Yo, drunk in the morning.
I don't know this person. Remember the one guy lit on fire?
Yeah.
Do you know what?
No,
This bottom on fire.
No, they stand up, you light them, and then they go, the flare goes up, and then... You missed it, I was talking about him. What? If we were in the parking lot.
I look over there. You guys are not there one bit.
Yes, I was.
No, you were not.
Yes, we were.
Until we go there.
Mm-hmm.
No, by the white car.
Oh, that white car.
Yes. Yes, awesome, huh? Hurry
I was by the gate watching the fireworks go off.
Turn your phone more.
What?
Turn your phone more. You can't even freaking see that one.
Can you stop that? No, that's the fireworks.
Yeah,
Yeah, the flare fireworks just like went to the side, and then it had white stuff on the sidewalk. Ew.
What?
Nah. Never mind. Ash.
I'm not lighting one.
Ash. Who's gonna light it?
I'm gonna light it.
Alright, guys. Stay on that. I got that.
Dang it, what?
Have him light it.
What is she asking for?
Water.
No, it ain't water.
I know they ain't water. I can tell by it.
Beer.
Not beer.
I know what it is.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
I forgot the hard, but... Oh, God.
Dude, you're barely getting it.
Oh, that's it.
I don't even gotta move. I just got it there.
Hey, my turn.
That one sucks.
Alright, guys, back up. Back up. Gotta back up.
Hey.
Oh, no, he's gone.
That one messed. That one just... I'm not ready to ruin the whole freaking thing.
Yep, it did.
What?
Epic though.
What?
Epic fail. I'm about to scoot back. Going forward. Going forward. I don't know how to turn this thing. Are you? Turn me towards the bush.
He's gonna get over there. What's up?
Wanna come here? Look right here. There'll be a fire right here. Come over here.
Nah.
Be careful! Stand back!
Fuck yeah.
I never seen you.
Hey, what time is it?
Very good. Time is it?
Yeah.
I have
What time is it? Well, I got trouble.
Do you have a YouTube
That's
account?
a lot. I can stay up
I have
till
a Facebook
midnight.
account.
I have both YouTube and Facebook.
YouTube, Facebook.
I can put them both on.
You tell your Facebook.
Can you tell your mom that my dad needs me? He can't breathe. He needs me there. Is he dying? No, he
Alright,
can't
guys,
breathe.
back up.
Why?
He's having an asthma attack. Please tell her. Yeah! What? Oh my god, I'm so
They're lying in
cry.
Now move, get up.
What's wrong? What's going on?
Okay, I don't know.
Your mom's calling you, Selena.
What's going on there?
Is that the last?